Hello mga ka-channel, I'm Professor Bunny and welcome sa ating online classroom tutorials. Pero bago ang lahat, shout out ko lahat na estudyante ng Systems Plus Computer College. Lalo na sa mga nag-likes and shares, and most of all sa mga nag-subscribe. Alam nyo naman this channel was created during the time of pandemic, para magkaroon tayo ng kaalaman kahit tayo nasa bahay lang. Okay. So let's get start.
Okay, so dito i-differentiate natin yung pagkakaiba ng tatlong software, yung C++, the Java, and the Python. So using the if and else statement. Okay, dito sa ating yung gagamitin natin, ito yung online compiler. So meaning naka-online tayo, no? Pero kung meron kayong mga software ng Java, C++, or Python naka-install sa inyong system, pwede nyo rin gamitin. Okay? So, dito sa upper right side, kung makita natin yung mga language. Meron tayong C#, meron C++, and we have Java and the Python. Okay? So, first, ang gamitin natin yung C++. Dito sa C++, gagamitin natin yung if statement. Okay? So, let's start. So, hashtag, okay, include IO stream. Okay. Dito sa loob ng smaller and greater than, nakalagay dyan yung IO stream na ibig sabihin yung input and the output. Next, the using name space std. Then we have the semicolon. Int main. Okay, so double open and close parenthesis. And we have the curly braces. Okay. Ngayon, gagamitin natin yung yung if. So if dito sa open close parenthesis, maglalagay tayo ng, for example, 200 is greater than 100. So which is true, no? Okay. Then the curly braces. In C++, ang ginagamit to display the output is yung cout, followed by double less than, and the double quote. Inside that double quote, ilalagay natin yung magiging output. So, 200 is greater than 100. Okay, then we have the semicolon. Okay, so between these two curly braces, ilalagay natin yung return 0. So, lahat naman yan i-discuss natin sa ating mga previous lessons. So, let's try to run our program. And that's it, no? 200 is greater than 100. Okay? Ngayon, kung halimbawa, i-reverse natin siya, no? Gawin natin siya smaller than, which is false. Okay? Gawin natin 100. Pag run natin program, wala siyang output kasi ano siya, no? Mali. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin dyan, gawin natin siyang, halimbawa, 500. So, 200 is smaller. Okay? So, is smaller than, 500. So, let's try to run. Then, we have 200 is smaller than 500. So, again, which is true. So, ganun lang kasimple in C++ using the if statement. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin ngayon sa, naman tayo, sa Java. Okay, so, erase natin siya, and, hanapin natin yung Java. Okay, so, yung pagkakaiba ng Java, maglalagay tayo ng, halimbawa, public. So, enter mo lang, public, class. Okay, so, public class, then, main, followed by the open curly braces. Okay, then we have the public, static, void, main. Then we have the open and close parentheses. Dito ilalagay natin yung string, then yung solid braces, no? So, nandito siya. And yung args. So, i-discuss din natin ano nga ba yung string, ano yung args, no? Ano yung pagkakaiba dun sa C++. And also the open curly braces. So, public static. Ngayon, gagamitin natin ngayon yung if. Okay? Same lang din sa, sa C++ ka na. If, open and close parenthesis, so ilalagay natin yung 200 is greater than 100. Okay? Then, open curly braces. So, kanina, ang ginamit natin is cout. Dito sa Java, yung pagkakaiba, ang ginagamit dito yung system dot out dot okay, so print line. Okay, so followed by the open and close parenthesis. So dito na natin ilalagay yung ating output, no, which is the 200. So, pero nasa loob siya ng double quote. So 200 is greater than 100. Okay, then always end with the semicolon. Okay, so let's run our program. Okay, so 200 is greater than 100, so it is true. So kanina ang ginawa natin, smaller than, 200 is smaller than, gawin natin siyang 500. So 200 is smaller, okay, smaller than 500, also, which is true naman. Run the program. 200 is smaller than 500, so which is tama yung yung kung saan natin 200 mas maliit siya sa 500. Okay, so ganun lang yung gagamitin yung if dito sa Java application. Okay,
Okay, that's all. Maraming salamat sa panunood. Paki-likes and shares and don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thanks to all. Bye.